Hello, and welcome to another update video on Doge. The Doge chart rallied in 3 waves, like many other crypto charts, into the Friday swing high. And yeah, as explained in previous video updates, this 3-wave move ended sharp, and we've now started to decline in potentially even 5 waves, and that adds further weight to this yellow scenario, which, to be fair, would actually look best on the chart. After a significant rally like the one we had from the April low, the market just needs to take a breather. The move to the upside was just not convincing, right, from the Saturday low for really upside continuation. I mean, to be fair, a 5th wave to the upside, absolutely possible, but then it would have been only an ABC structure as well. Can still happen, but as soon as the price breaks below the red dotted line at 21 cents, the scenario for a larger pullback in the yellow scenario becomes confirmed, essentially, right? And honestly, I mean, this larger B-wave correction in the yellow scenario, there's nothing that would currently call that invalid or anything. It actually fits quite well because we had 3 waves to the upside, not 5, into the Sunday, I think it was Sunday, the 11th of May high, an A wave down, a B wave up, and then the C wave down would be 5 waves. So at some point, this entire move needs to be corrected, right? And this is one of the scenarios we've been talking about in previous updates. A wave down, then 3 waves up in the B, and now this looks like a micro 5-wave move down. So it could be wave 1 of C. If we now get a corrective rally, that would be wave 2 of C. And then a rapid decline could be a 3rd wave for 5. That's how it could play out. In this scenario, I would say testing 19.9 cents to 18.3 cents over the coming sessions seems like quite a probable outcome, quite a probable scenario. Obviously, the market can still go higher, but I would only see that as an extension of the A wave, not really like a breakout to all-time highs yet. Questionable if we get that anyway. I mean, I still like the chart for some kind of upside continuation, right? I'm not convinced that we will really see all-time highs, but like that's the case with most altcoins, to be fair. There are some exceptions, but on Doge, I mean, let's first see if we can find support here. This is the main support area that hasn't changed. It's between 15 cents and 19.9 cents. And this is between the 38.2 retracement and the 78.6 retracement. And, because we already have a 5-wave decline from yesterday's high, let's hold on. Let's zoom in actually a little bit. You see that because we already have a 5-wave decline from yesterday's high, we gotta be ready for potentially just only corrective rallies and then a sharp decline in wave 3. Now, when would the potential change, or when would the potential for that decline in a larger correction reduce? Well, I know a lot of people are actually waiting for a larger correction, so I think most people will be happy, but it would take a break above initial resistance, initial Fibonacci resistance for wave 2. So such a wave 2 corrective rally, which could be playing out, to be fair, maybe even as an ABC structure here, it shouldn't break above the 78.6 retracement. And to be fair, the move up looks corrective so far. If we break down rapidly, we might already be in the 3rd wave down. But I would say another test of resistance seems at least likely. 23.3 cents to 24.7 cents. Any decisive break above 24.7 cents might mean we're already in the extension to the upside, which remains a possible scenario, but would again be invalidated, if the orange count, one more extension will be invalidated with a break below the dotted red line. So yeah, just a quick update here. At least you get a good idea of the levels. I mean, it's a 5-wave decline, might set the stage for some further declines over the coming sessions. Overall seen, however, as a pullback in a larger uptrend. Yeah. So that's the update on Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.